Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So today we are going to draw your mushroom. Hope you like it. First, we draw the stem. Then we make the grass. Then we make another stem. Then we make a small stem. Then we start making the top of the mushroom. Then we make a small mushroom top. Then a medium one. Then we start coloring yellow on the background. Then we do the grass. Oh, not yet. I hadn't finished. Now I finished, so I did the grass, now the red. Then we do the light brown part. We have to paint really properly. We add little pink on. Then we do the dots. Then we do the grass. I'll be doing the dots soon. Now I'm doing the dots. Subscribe, click the bell, and don't forget to watch all our latest videos.